see you hold your bottle. Who's that, Kyra? Remy. She's watching you. Are you watching me? She says, I want more. You want more? You look like your mommy. Hold it.
She has both hands and she's gripped into me. Do you see it?
Hi, princess. Oh, my. There's my baby. There's my baby.
I said...
Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. You're so cute. I can eat you up. Hi. She's watching you now, Kyra. Say, all right, Mima, we'll send you more soon.